Hi guys, welcome again on this channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make cover buttons with the grommet machine. So first we need the fabric, we need our grommet machine, then we need our cover button. We'll go ahead to cut the fabric that we need for the cover button. Here I want to use a lace, but because the lace is going to be transparent, I'll be lining it with this matching color yellow fabric. So I'm going to be using that to cut the lace material into the size that we'll be needing, just enough to cover the buttons. You don't want it to be too bulky for the button. So I'm going to be making 12 cover buttons, so I'll go ahead to cut 12 pieces of each, the lining and also the fabric itself. So here I have it. I've gotten enough which I need for both material, and now we can go ahead to start making our cover buttons. Here's the cover button dies, and here are the here are the buttons. The buttons come in two. They usually come in a pair, the metallic part and also the other part. The metallic part is what you're going to be wrapping the fabric with. Now we'll go ahead to put it in the hollowed part of our cover button dies. We cover it, and we also cover it with the button dice cover. Okay, we set it in place just like this, but before we do that, let's screw in this default dice into this upper part. Okay, now we place this the downside facing up this way, and then we are going to be applying pressure just to hit the buttons into the cover in place just like this. We do this severally so that we can get a good result. So here we have our first button. Let's make the second one. We take that foil or metal part, then we wrap it with our fabric just like this. We don't want it to be too bulky, and we don't want it to be too short of what we need. So we wrap it all around. When we are wrapping it, we just need to make sure that there's no excess poking out, because if we leave the excess like that, it's going to just how our button will look like afterwards. So we want to take care of the excess, push it in properly, then add the cover, then put it into the dies just like you see me do. Cover it and put it under the grommet machine so that we can get it fixed. Alright, we'll do this severally just so we can get a good result on the button. We'll push down, so we'll push it out, and here we have our second button. Let's go ahead to make the other buttons. Don't forget we need 12 of this. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, I think it's about time you do so. Please give this video a thumbs up so that it can reach more people. It will also encourage me to keep doing what I'm doing. Thank you. I think we have made about 5 now. We'll continue to do this until we achieve the number of buttons we need. Okay, so this is the last one, and when going through the same procedure, we achieved this. Okay, so here it is. We have successfully made our cover buttons. Thank you for making this cover button with me. Please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, please drop your comments. I'd like to hear from you. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.